Hi guys! We're eating at McDo. It's a late lunch. It's chicken again. We may gonna miss the chicken here in the Philippines.
Well, we have Popeyes, so.
How was it, the McDonald's compared to
Plus,
Jollibee?
remember, we got Jollibee in California.
Yeah, but only by yourself. Can you go to the
Go anywhere.
Jollibee?
I can go anywhere by myself. Not like here.
No,
I gotta
no,
have my- I gotta have
Can
my
you?
guard dog.
There's Jollibee in California. Jollibee in California, the rest. So can you go by yourself to eat Jollibee in California?
Why not? Not like here where you have
They
to
make
look
it.
every second. I can go anywhere I want.
You cannot because they may gonna teasing you. Dad, what's that? Jollibee? Jollibee?
I can go anywhere I want.
Okay, guys, let's eat. So, compare the Jollibee and the McDonald's chicken. How was it?
Okay.
What's okay? Okay, what does it mean? What's good? The Jollibee or the McDonald's?
I like the spicy chicken Jollibee. This is good too for spicy. But Jollibee never has the spicy. They're always out.
They have a spicy but
Never
normal.
available. It's never available.
No. They have a spicy chicken also at Jollibee ham. Only the problem is
They don't
because
have.
they don't have in the province. It's always not available.
That's what I just said. That's what I just said.
Yeah. But
Every time I go
since
to
you are
Jollibee,
already here in Manila,
every time we go,
they have a
they
spicy
go.
chicken. Available spicy chicken.
I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Okay guys, let's eat. I'm here. Okay, bye for now guys. See you again. See you again when?
I don't know.
See you again when I see you.
3 months.
Bye for now guys. Let's eat. Have a good day ahead to everybody guys. Please keep watching always.
I can always send videos to you.
Always keep watching on our YouTube channel guys. Please share, like, and subscribe.